Hello guys, what's up? So in this video I'm going to show you how you can find Post Malone tattoo face filter on Snapchat. So to get this filter, visit this website. Link to this website you can find in the description box below. Here in this website you can find the snap code for the filter. If you are browsing this website in your laptop or PC, you can scan the code with your Snapchat mobile app. But if you are browsing this website in your mobile, just tap on the code and open with Snapchat. You'll see this pop-up. In this pop-up, tap on unlock for 48 hours, and that's it. This is the filter. There is music also with this filter, but I can't play the music because of copyright. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can get this filter on Snapchat. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.